How to record shows on Directv stream. In this video, I'll provide you additional information on recording shows on Directv stream. So first, if you go ahead and head straight into directv.com's official site, you can actually hover your mouse around into shop and go into streaming packages. Now, the reason why we're here is to check out the specifics of the subscriptions that you will purchase. So they actually have three: entertainment, choice, and ultimate. Of course, these three specific subscriptions has its own inclusions and features. So if you go ahead and get into the entertainment subscription, you can actually have unlimited cloud DVR recording, which actually stores specific shows that you will be recording out while using DirecTV Stream and automatically be head into your storage. However, if you head into the choice subscription plan, you will not have this kind of feature. But you can still record shows while using DirecTV Stream, but you're gonna add up a specific storage into your account so that you can store those recordings. And that's how you record shows on DirecTV Stream.